Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Microsoft Outlook email, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question. Keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you import or upload your contacts into Microsoft Outlook? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to import your contacts into Microsoft Outlook anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you're going to switch over email providers, and you want to be sure to bring your contacts with you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Microsoft Outlook inbox. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Microsoft Outlook, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to import or upload your contacts, here on the left side, you're going to click on this little icon. It looks like two little people in blue. Once you do that, you're going to see all of your contacts in Microsoft Outlook. However, to import a contact list, you can either click right here on Import Contacts, or up here on the top right, Manage Contacts. Once you do that, go ahead and click Import Contact. Okay, they do let you know it should be a CSV file. So you want to go ahead and browse your desktop and then choose your contact file. Okay, once you've chosen the file, go ahead and click on Import. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. It should say, looks good, and how many contacts are going to be imported. Go ahead and click on Close. Okay, after I refresh my screen, you can see that we now added these two contacts that we imported and uploaded into our Microsoft Outlook. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to import or upload your contact list into Microsoft Outlook, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.